Hi everyone, my name is Sophie, and today we're going to talk about daily routines in English. I'm 27 years old and I work as a marketing manager. I have a pretty busy schedule during the week, so I try to stay organized and follow a routine every day. So let me show you what a typical day in my life looks like. My alarm goes off at 6 every morning. I usually wake up right away, but on the weekend, I have a lie-in. After that, I get up and make my bed. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a quick shower. After the shower, I get dressed and make breakfast. I usually have eggs, toasts, and a cup of coffee. While I'm eating breakfast, I check my emails and scroll through social media for a few minutes. Then I pack my bag and go to work. I normally commute by subway because driving in the city takes too long.
My work starts at 9 a.m.
During the day, I answer emails, attend meetings, and work on different projects. I usually have lunch at 1 p.m. with my coworkers. Sometimes we eat at a cafe near the office, but other days I bring lunch from home. I finish work at 6 p.m. After work, I often go to the supermarket to buy groceries. When I get home, I feel pretty tired, so I usually relax for a while before making dinner. In the evening, I cook dinner and watch TV or YouTube while I eat. A few times a week, I go to the gym or meet friends after work. Later at night, I put on my pajamas and get ready for bed.
Before going to sleep, I usually read a book for 20 or 30 minutes.
I try to go to bed before midnight because I need enough sleep to feel energetic the next day. Now let's practice. You will get a star for every correct answer. Let's see how many stars you can get. Are you ready? I brush my teeth in the kitchen. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. I wear pajamas to bed. I wear pajamas to the gym. I go to bed at night. I go to bed in the morning before work. I cook dinner in the office. I cook dinner at home. I commute to the kitchen. I commute to work. I take a shower in the bathroom. I take a shower in my bedroom. I use an alarm clock to go to bed. I use an alarm clock to wake up. I answer emails and attend meetings at work. I answer emails and attend meetings at the cafe. Exercise 2. Read the sentence and fill in the gaps with the action you see in the video.
I usually, at 6 a.m., cook dinner. Wake up. Watch TV. I, before and after breakfast. Play football. Brush my teeth. Go to bed. I usually, before going to work, have breakfast, sleep, study at school. I usually, in a cafe, wake up, take a shower, have dinner. After work, I like to and watch TV, drive a bus, relax, brush my teeth. Before bed, my pajamas, eat, put on, clean. I, after taking a shower in the morning, wake up, get dressed, go to bed. I usually, at 10 p.m., go to work, have breakfast, go to bed.
Great! You did it! How many stars did you get? Count all the stars and let's see what you got. You got from 13 to 16 stars. Amazing job! You remembered the phrases really well and did an excellent job in the quiz. You got from 8 to 12 stars. Good work! You remember many phrases, but you still need a little more practice. You got from 0 to 7 stars. Nice try! Learning takes practice, so don't worry if you didn't get many stars this time. Watch the video again from the beginning and try one more time. You can do it! So that's my daily routine. What about you? What time do you usually wake up? And what's your favorite part of the day? Write a comment below and tell me about your daily routine in English. And don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.